Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and reverse your videos on TikTok. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok application on your phone. And after that, you want to go ahead and click on the plus icon. So you can actually go ahead and upload your very own video, or you could just go ahead and film one yourself. In this tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and upload my very own video. So I'll just go ahead and click on upload right here. I'll go ahead and use this video. So this is a video of me playing. The next thing that you want to go ahead and do is to go ahead and click on the effects right here. After clicking the effects, you will be able to see multiple categories. For example, right now, we are inside the trending page. So just go ahead and scroll down until you find the time category. And inside the time category, you will be able to select reverse. So just go ahead and click on reverse. And as you could go ahead and see, the characters are now moving backwards. So just go ahead and click on save. And now you have your reversed video. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.